Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video, we will see what are interfaces and how we can use interfaces in Java. So an interface is same as an abstract class. As abstract class cannot be instantiated, an interface also cannot be instantiated. So for making an interface, for example, we have been seeing this example from our last videos, and we have a bank class which is our super class, and when we define this class as an abstract class, this bank class cannot be instantiated. We have seen in the last video. Now, in place of doing so many things like declaring abstract public class, we can just use a keyword called public interface, and then it makes your interface something like this. And all the method inside an interface are abstract by nature. Okay, so you don't need to add a keyword abstract in any member method of the interface like this. All the method or all the members of the interface are abstract by nature. So in the last video we have seen if the methods are abstract, then we need to implement this in the subclass in which we are inheriting, right? Now let's start from the beginning. So I'm going to delete all the classes which I made earlier, and then I'm going to make an interface. Okay, so in Eclipse you can make interface by just going to the package in which your main class is or main method is, and just right click it, and you can just go to new and click interface here, and you can give the name to your interface. For example, we will give the name to our interface as bank, as we have given in the last video to our abstract superclass. Okay, so this is the basic definition of interface, and whatever method you define inside the interface, like get interest rate, it's automatically abstract by nature. Okay, so whenever you want to inherit from the interface, so interface only can be implemented, not can be extended. So when we define a class, for example, we will define a new class for bank interface, and this class we will name it as bank ABC, for example, and we want to inherit from the interface. This interface, because this is an interface, there is no class keyword in here in the bank interface, right? So you cannot extend from interface in a class. You need to implement the interface, so you need to use the keyword implements, something like this. Okay, and then you can implement your bank interface and you will be good to go. Now because we have this get interface or get interest rate method inside our interface, we need to define or give the definition of this get interest rate in our subclass also, because all the methods inside our interface are abstract by nature, right? So you need to give definition something like this and return some interest rate, and then your definition will be okay. Now it says you cannot reduce the visibility, let's say by, because this should be public by nature. So we just need to add public keyword, and then it's okay. So whenever you want to inherit from the interface, use the keyword implement rather than extends. Okay, and whenever you want to inherit from the interface to an interface, you can use the keyword extend. So just bear in mind, whenever you have two classes, class and class, and both are you want to inherit one class from another, then you use extends. Okay, if you have interface as a base class and you have class as a subclass, you need to use implements. And if you have two interfaces and interface, then you can use extend. Okay, so simple rule is, if the both subclass and superclass are classes or interface themselves, both are same, you use extend. And if the superclass is interface and subclass is your class, then you use implement keyword here. Okay, so this is how you can use interface, and interfaces are abstract by nature, so they also cannot be instantiated. So if you want to instantiate bank something like this is equal to new bank, it's not possible because it's just an interface, and interfaces are abstract by nature. Okay, so this is how we can use interface in Java. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.